Now it's time for Daniel Clarhed of Cleanergy. Very interesting Swedish company. I hear they are using a bit of German technology. How come?
Absolutely.
Welcome to Ecosummit.
Thank you so much, John. Yeah, you're actually right there. I will speak more about that. My name is Daniel Clarhed. Very happy to be here. So, what I will speak about for the next 5 minutes is why we believe that landfills across Europe, municipalities with such utilities, should stop the practice of flaring, which is burning dirty biogas and not using the energy in the gas at all. Because my company, Cleanergy, we have developed a solution where you actually can use the energy in the biogas. Even if the methane content is only 18%, we can co-generate and make electricity and heat out of that otherwise wasted gas. We're actually the only solution to using this gas, and we're commercially deployed this solution across Europe. And we believe that this can be a very, very interesting solution in the transformation of the European waste management sector. So we're all heading for the 2020 horizon. First, let me just mention that we're a Sweden-based company, headquartered in Gothenburg, west coast Sweden, but we have 6 sites globally that we operate from, in Sweden, UK, and China. The core of the company is the Stirling Engine, which we use as both a business area of the concentrated solar power. We use a big parabolic dish for using efficient use of the solar power. And also the cogeneration, which is combined heat and power production, which decrease the greenhouse emissions due to methane. And we actually say that we turn waste into wealth. And how is that? Well, if you look at like a landfill like this one, Europe is transforming the waste management sector and moving away from landfilling, and instead using waste incineration, recycling, and, well, basically trying to reduce the waste generated. But Europe is then left with a lot of closed landfills, and we are helping them to produce electricity and heat, and doing that for many decades. So that's actually how we turn the waste into wealth. We see that if you close a landfill, it will actually decrease the quality of the gas that is emitted. So above 40%, you will see that it's possible to use conventional technologies. But after that, we have this so-called dinosaur tail, which is very long. Nobody really knows how long it is, but we know that there are landfills that were closed in the 70s and 80s. And they're still producing 25% methane content of the gas. So this could be 40, 50, 60 years. We're addressing that problem, basically. And if we look to the technology that we are using, let me just mention that we also have some other business areas. Technology is also pertinent for wastewater management or wastewater treatment plants, biogas, and we constantly get new ideas where people have a gas that is contaminated or with a low methane content that we could actually use. But looking at the technology, it's a Gasbox, we call it. It's a box with a Stirling engine itself, combustion chamber, which is external. The gas never go into the engine itself. We have the generator, gas system, cool system, control system. Everything is contained in the power source. And in addition to that, we also have a containerized turnkey system, which add all the technology that you need to have a power plant next to your landfill site. So that's our product. You might wonder how we put it on the market and how we sell. Basically, we have a sales strategy where we use own efforts in markets where it makes sense, which would be the Nordic countries mostly. In Europe, we have been quite successful with a distribution network, where we work with partners that are close to the landfills and wastewater treatment plants. And we're also looking into ESCO financing and ESCO offering to our customers, basically helping them to find a viable solution. And I won't go into detail how we have set this up in UK, where we have deployed this solution. But let me just say that we're quite interested because to develop this in more countries, more markets, because it's been very successful, and yeah, we need partners for such financing partnerships. So, just to summarize this little presentation, our key messages would be that if you were a municipality, don't waste this gas for 10 years and just come and say afterwards, why didn't anybody tell me about this solution 10 years ago? There is an option today, and we believe that everybody should use it. And secondly, we think that we need more sales channels. We're already across Europe, but we need to find more partnerships in terms of distributors and ESCO partners. So we're open to that. And finally, please follow our interesting world and the transformation of the waste management sector as well through our excellent homepage and social media. You find the addresses here. So, thank you very much. I hope you found it interesting. Come and see me if you have any further questions, and hope you enjoy Ecosummit.
I enjoy Ecosummit. Thank you very much.
That's good to hear, John. Thank you. This is for you.
Okay, one question for you. How much revenue did you make last year, more or less? Can you give us an idea?
Oh, it's not even a single million euros. We're still living out of our investors to a great extent.
And you have some famous investors, right? Some
That's right.
big Swedish family offices?
Yeah, for you who are into Swedish industrialists, we have the Wallenberg family, who are a major investor. Also, the Nobel Foundation is a big contributor, and some other. Jim O'Neill, the former Goldman Sachs asset manager who invented the BRICS country term. He's also an investor. So there are some knowledgeable people.
It's a sterling hot company.
That's right.
Cool. Thank you very much.
I forgot to tell you that the origin is the German company Solo Kleinmotor. That's where we started to build the platform. So that's the answer to your first question.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.